Hi, welcome to Yoyol. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an assessment on Yoyol from start to finish. To begin, open the assessment link shared with you by your teacher or parent. The link will take you directly to the Yoyol assessment page. Before starting, you may be asked to enter your details. This can include your name, email address, internal ID, or external ID, depending on how the assessment was set up. Once done, click Start Assessment. When the assessment begins, you'll see the main assessment screen. At the top, there's a time passed indicator showing how long you've been working on the assessment. You'll also see a questions list, which helps you know how many questions you have and which ones you've completed. Use the Next and Previous buttons to move between questions as you answer them. In the center of the screen, the current question is displayed clearly. This allows you to go back, review, and update your answers before submitting. And now navigate throughout the questions and choose the correct answers. Once you've completed all questions, click Submit to finish the assessment. After submission, your results may be shown immediately or made available later depending on the settings chosen by your teacher. And that's how you complete an assessment on Yoyol. Simple, clear, and easy to follow.